Good morning. It is the next trip to the thrift. Trip to the thrift number 61. I can't believe we're in the 60s. But let's keep this short and simple. Let's just go thrift. Let's go. Vintage Mickey T right here in the size, size medium. Single stitch. For sure picking this one up. Let's go. Pretty cool little champion piece right here. It has way too many flaws. Basketball on the logo though? Just found this vintage single stitch Raiders tee, Super Bowl champions. For sure picking this up. This is super clean. And then right here I found some vintage 1984 Nike Sky Forces in a size 6, a men's size 6. The age on this is crazy. Look at the cracking right there, but it's still kind of intact. But I might cop these, I'm not sure. They're only asking for 15. I just love the aesthetic of the shoe. So we'll see. Just found this vintage Star Wars tee. Made in USA, single stitch. Jedi versus Sith. Crazy, just coming up on tees, let's go. Yo, just found this vintage Polo Sport in like the off-white colorway. Very clean. I haven't found a fireside bag in a while, and I've actually never seen this one. This is a scoop. Yo, just got back to the hometown from school. Get the hoodie on because it's a little cold, but we're here at Goodwill, so let's pop in real quick. See if we can get some last minute nighttime scoops. Man, this spot was extra dry. All they had was this Derek Fisher Lakers tee, the .4 jump shot game winner. Found some bootleg Guess Sport track pants. Pretty skinny at the bottom too. Probably gonna pick these up. We in the all black. Good morning, guys. It is Friday. Wish me luck. We back at the thrift. Let's go. Found another t-shirt right here. This is what 40 looks like. $1.99 made in USA. Another tee. Just cool to see, but they got some vintage Nike cleats right here. Pretty crazy. So I found a whole bunch of things right here. I found in my size. Some size 13 Flint Jordan 13's. Size 13, size 11 Jordan 13's. And then right here, some Jordan 15's in a size 13. These are crazy. These right here are pretty crazy. Someone actually did a custom on these, but it's a custom pair of Air Force Ones, and they did like a Raiders spray paint and like hand-drawn logo. Look at that. These are kind of tight. Might have to pick these up. You got a Kobe champion jersey right here. Wide shoulder though, and it has a stain right in the middle. We got these Supreme pants right here. Psych. This is crazy though to find after the Supreme drop just came out. It's pretty fire, not gonna lie, all these patches. But they're asking for $40. That's way too crazy. Oh, you know, just casually walking by the hat section, and look what I find. Gucci. Oh, you can't really see that, hold on. Wait, right there. Gucci made in Italy fanny pack. Oh my god. For only $10? Let's go, boy. This is a pretty cool piece right here. Size XL, but they're asking for 15. It's a vintage Guess, like Hawaiian silky shirt. This is pretty fire for the summer. And then right here, I found a whole bunch of Playboy socks. See a logo right there. Got some black ones, some gray ones, some different patterns on them, but probably gonna cop all of these. They're only asking for $1. Yo, what's good, guys? It's raining a little bit. Dang, it's not good lighting. Ugh. But I got the full Patagonia fleece tracksuit on with the same beanie all the time. But yeah, we're here at the thrift on a Saturday, but let's get in. Dang, they got this Mighty Ducks Pro Player with the huge spell out and the logo down there. But this is super big, double XL. And they're asking for 30. And also right here, I found a Polo Sport fanny pack. Just gotta wipe that off, that'll come off with $6. This is for sure a scoop, this is tight. Let's go. Debating if I should cop, but I found these 2 packs of hangers. I don't know if you can see inside right there. The white ones, they got Tommy Jeans logos on them. I might pick this up. Rihanna's Pumas? Super Vito. Dang, these glasses don't have any brand, but they're fire. Look at the side. If you were to get these like customized and turned into eyeglasses. Yo, I just saw these peeking in the kids section. Some Champion Size boys large 14, 16. Oh my god. $2.99. I'm for sure picking these up. Size small for guys. I would hoop in these for sure. Short shorts. Let's go. Just got back home and I just wanted to show you guys these. These are so fire. They already got picked up. They've already been sold. But I just want to show you guys before I ship them off. I think this is like 3M on the size. These are crazy. Size medium. Shout out to the homie for picking these up though. That 3M is just crazy on the side. And it's like a button up, like a tearaway. Size medium. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys before I ship it off. Yo, it was good. Just got to the post office, shipping off one item. The Guest Sport track pants. So fire. It's called. Yeah, when there's no line. Yo, shout out to everyone who's been making purchases, man. Y'all are like seriously killing it. I'm shipping off packages like super often. Y'all are the greatest. Let's go. Ooh, ooh. Don't fall, don't fall. Ugh. Yo, just linked up with a boo-boo. About to grub here at this place called Julie's Cafe. About to get some bagels, even though it's lunchtime. We craving breakfast, so let's eat. Dang, the Louis wallet with the Tommy crew neck. And what shoes? Ooh. Smacking on these dirty chips. Fire though. Here. Oh my god, yo. This is the first time we both eaten here. Look at that jalapeno cheese bagel with the egg and cheese. Young Boo Boo got the spinach. Ooh, with the bacon, egg, and cheese. And you know we gotta sip on that kale.
I think it's healthy.
Yeah. I actually forgot to record these in the thrift, but I did pick them up. If you follow me on Instagram, this is a pair of Gucci's sunglasses. Very fire, and I believe that they are authentic. I paid $30 for them, and I actually posted a picture of me and my homie. I'm wearing these in a picture on Instagram, so if you want to go see it, follow your boy. Let's go. Hey there. Yo, what's good, guys? Chilling right now in a closet. Hopefully this is cool. Just a little white background with the natural light hitting your boy, and I'm letting the hair just letting the hair flow down right now just because I don't want to tie it up right now. Go ahead, leave a comment down below. Someone come get their auntie, come get their sister, or whatever you want to call it. I don't care. But yeah, just got back to the boo-boo spot and we're gonna get into the haul, and I'm gonna show you guys all the fire that I found this week. I haven't found this much fire in a while, so this was a very, very, very good week. Alright, so first we're gonna start with the tees. Right here is a vintage Raiders 1990s tee. Only has a front print, nothing in the back. Single stitch. It's tagged XL, but I'd honestly say this is like a, I'd say this is actually like a medium. Like a small, in between the small and the medium maybe. But yeah, Raiders tee, 1990s tee right there, Super Bowl champions. Got the helmet and then it says Raiders right there. Very fire piece. Second vintage tee that we have right here is a Mickey tee, also single stitch. Just got the big Mickey right there and it says Walt Disney Productions. Haven't found a Mickey piece in a while, so this was a cool one. Made in USA. Of all the tees, this is probably the most fire one that I found. This is a vintage 1990s Star Wars tee, Jedi vs. Sith. Crazy, crazy screen print in the front. It says right here Star Wars Episode 1. And it also has a little like screen print in the back. You can see right there. Man, my hair is all up in my face. You see right there in the back, it says Jedi vs. Sith as well. Star Wars Episode 1. This will be for sale along with the other two tees. So hit me up if you're interested. I did find a pair of shorts. These are a size large in boys. But these would be short shorts for a guy like me. I would actually hoop in these. See right there, it's got the NBA logo, Champion logo. And it's got the Laker logo right there, and on this side just screen printed in the purple and gold. You already know. Now we'll get into the bags right here. This is a Polo Sport fanny pack. Let me get a little bit closer so y'all can see. Cover my face and hopefully that's clear because I cannot see that. But yeah, Polo Sport fanny. This might have already actually been sold. I'm not 100% sure, but just hit me if you are interested in this piece. I wanted to save the best for last, but I honestly couldn't decide. So here they are. Found a pair of Jordan Flint 13's and a Gucci fanny pack made in Italy. So fire. This is definitely staying in the personal. These might be for sale, these might not. These are a size 11, so they are my size, so I might end up keeping these. I might hoop in these, but I'm not 100% sure yet. But let me show y'all what these look like. All right, so here's up close of the shoes. You can see that they're actually in really good condition. These are the 2010 Jordan 13's, the Flints. I might hoop in these because 13's are actually very, very comfortable to play ball in. Feels very comfortable around the ankles and gives you a lot of support. So I might keep these. Right here is the Gucci fanny pack. Such a fire piece. I cannot believe I found this. I actually came across this in the hat section. You can see right here, it's got the back right there. It's got the buckle. It does say Gucci, made in Italy. And this will be staying in the personal for now, because this is way too crazy. I cannot believe I found this. And in the hat section, it was just sitting there. It's like so fire. All right, so those are all the pieces that your boy did find. I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 pieces. But they're all pretty fire. I've been really picky with everything that I pick up now, just because I thrift like literally every day. So I need to be very selective with what I pick out and what I know can sell and what I don't think will sell. So yeah, now let's just get into the giveaway that I promised in this video if you follow me on Instagram. Alright, so these right here are the customs that I did. You can see right here, it is the Nike Air Monarchs. These are the iconic dad shoe. Super crazy. I didn't record them. I was actually going to record myself making a video of me putting the Chanel logo on my Nike Air Forces, but I didn't really want to take a chance on putting them on there because those shoes were a little more expensive, obviously. And these are only like $10. I came across them at a Goodwill. They are a size 9.5, so this is the shoe that I'm actually going to be giving away. If you want me to do customs on this channel, just please let me know. Basically how I did this one was I put the acetone all over the shoe, rubbed it off, made sure that first layer was gone, cleaned off the shoe. Well, cleaned off the shoe first and then the acetone. And then if you guys have been following me, I found a Chanel brooch, like the pin. I basically laid these flat like this, put the pin on top, stuffed the shoe so it was flat as possible, and I basically spray painted and tried to make it fade out right here in the front and the back. And then all I did was color in this right here with a pinpoint Sharpie and then a thick Sharpie just to color it in. Now it's really sad I didn't make a DIY or custom video on this because it came out very clean. But yeah, so these are size 9.5. This is the shoe that I will be giving away. If you do want to enter, all my rules are always the same for all of my giveaways. All you have to do is basically, 1, you have to subscribe to the channel, you have to leave a comment down below, leave a like, and make sure to go follow me on Instagram. You have to follow me on Instagram in order to be entered into this. So all the rules, I'm gonna leave a comment in the comment section listing all the rules that you have to follow. And yeah, so these are a size 9.5. If you are interested, good luck. But yeah, so once again, I'll leave the rules and everything down in the comment section below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was Trip to the Thrift numero 61. I haven't been able to thrift that much throughout the week, so now it's kind of getting to where I'm gonna be posting one thrifting video a week. I might post like other videos that are like different content, like customs, lookbooks, DIYs, how-tos, and all those other type of things or challenges that I do. But for now, the thrifting videos are probably gonna be once a week because I don't want to show you guys a whole bunch of like filler. I don't want to show you guys like random stuff in the thrift just to add like time into the video. I only want to show you guys the pieces that I think are like the most fire, and it's actually the stuff that you guys want to see. Since you guys are my supporters, let me know if there's anything that you'd like me to change in my thrifting videos, what you like, what you don't like, and I'll base some of my content off of that feedback. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. This was Trip to the Thrift numero 61. You already know the slogan because we stay extra cozy on this channel with the hair banging out. Amen to fashion.